What's up, Wonders of London fans? This is Vincent from Wonders of London. I hope you're all doing well and having a good day. And just here we can see a lovely bee doing its thing. I love the bees. Do you guys like bees? We're heading into summer, so the bees are getting very busy. And I am in fact currently in Golders Hill Park, and you've got so many phenomenal things to discover here in Golders Hill Park. You can see this is one of my favorite walks in the park. It's as though you're walking in a woodland. How lovely is this? There is the sound of nature, the sound of water. Beautiful reflections, the wild meadows. Fantastic greens, just beautiful nature scenes. I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and if you want more videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. And of course, I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, morning, afternoon or evening, etc., wherever you are. Bye.